Answer sheet. A hemispherical rainwater tank of radius 2 meters is used to irrigate a 500 square meter farm. Each square meter requires 50 liters of water. Determine if the tank is sufficient. Take pi equals 22/7. Let's begin by visualizing the rainwater tank. It's shaped like a hemisphere with a radius of 2 meters. Imagine the tank slowly filling up with water. This helps us understand its capacity. To make the calculation easier, we'll switch to a flat, two-dimensional cross-section of the tank. Now, recall the formula for the volume of a full sphere. 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Since our tank is a hemisphere or half a sphere, we take half of that volume. So the formula becomes 2/3 pi times the radius cubed. Let's substitute the radius value, 2 meters, into the formula. This gives us a volume of approximately 16.76 cubic meters. Since 1 cubic meter equals 1,000 liters, the tank holds 16,760 liters of water. Next, let's consider the farm that the tank irrigates. The farm area is 500 square meters, and each square meter needs 50 liters of water. So the total water requirement for the farm is 500 multiplied by 50, which equals 25,000 liters. Comparing the tank's capacity to the farm's needs, 16,760 liters is less than 25,000 liters. Therefore, the hemispherical tank cannot hold enough water to irrigate the entire farm. Visit us at www.answersheet.com.